Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing chocolate and tools so melting is predictable. Chop 300-400 G into even 1-2 cm pieces so heat distributes evenly. This prevents scorching. Use a double boiler for control or microwave in 20-30 second bursts at 50% power, stirring between cycles to finish gently. Once smooth, test a small spoonful for texture. It should be glossy and fluid. Meanwhile, line a tray with parchment and arrange. Once your chocolate is glossy and free of lumps, pour it onto the parchment to a 3-5 mm thickness. Tilt and tap the tray to level and remove air pockets. You want a uniform base so bark breaks cleanly. Add toppings within 1 to 2 minutes while the surface is still tacky so they adhere. Place larger pieces first and sprinkle fine ingredients last. Press nuts and dried fruit gently to ensure they sink slightly. Make patterns deliberately. Spacing affects breakable piece sizes. To finish, let your bark cool undisturbed until firm. Room temperature 20-22 degrees C is best, or chill 10-15 minutes for faster setting. Once rigid, lift parchment and snap into pieces along natural cracks or score lightly with a knife for uniform shards. If chocolate blooms, looks dull, or feels grainy, remelt and temper it. Heat gently, cool while stirring, then repour. That fixes fat bloom and texture problems. Store in a cool, dry place in an airtight container to preserve snap and shine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.